Welcome to our channel. Slow PlayStation download speeds can be frustrating, but these optimization techniques will significantly improve your download performance. Step 1. Pause and resume your download, as this simple action can sometimes reconnect you to a faster PlayStation Network server. Step 2. Put your PlayStation into rest mode while downloading, which allocates more system resources to the download process and can increase speeds. Step 3. Close all running games and applications on your PlayStation to free up bandwidth and processing power for downloads. Step 4. Connect your PlayStation directly to your router using an Ethernet cable instead of Wi-Fi for a more stable and faster connection. Step 5. Change your DNS settings to Google Public DNS by entering 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4 in the network settings. Step 6. Ensure no other devices on your network are consuming bandwidth through streaming, downloads, or online gaming during your PlayStation download. Step 7. Download games during off-peak hours, typically late at night or early morning, when fewer users are accessing PlayStation Network servers. Step 8. Consider upgrading your internet plan if you consistently experience slow speeds, as faster base internet will improve all download performance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.